Full disclosure guys, this was sent to me for evaluation, but all opinions are my own. What's up guys? We got the Fanttik NEX L1 Pro. Let's unbox this and see what we get inside. Let's do this! Boom! I believe you've been expecting me. How to use me. Boom! We got a little magnet you can stick on your refrigerator or your toolbox or whatever you want. We don't need that right now. We got the instruction manual. Yep, put that to the side. NEX L1 Pro. There's a little latch right here. Unlatch that so we can open up the case. Boom! We got the cordless screwdriver right here. Ta-da! The Fanttik NEX L1 Pro cordless screwdriver. Oh, it's got power. Ready for action right when you unbox it. Ooh, did you notice that? We got some lights. It's super easy to operate as well. Right here, we got the torque setting. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. 6 levels of torque. Nice. And also right here, you have the direction. You see right here? Direction is pointing forward. That means you're screwing in. This one right here, direction is down, screwing down. So you change the direction like this. Easy. You change the torque like this. Easy. And you're ready to go. How easy is that? Cordless screwdriver, the NEX L1 Pro. Down here, we got a charging port and it's USB-C. Of course, you can definitely expect a USB-A to a USB-C charging cable so you can charge your cordless screwdriver. In the box, we have all these bits right here, an extension, and a longer Phillips screwdriver bit right here. So sweet, let's try this one right here. The bit goes in just like that and it's solid. It locks in place. To remove it, you need to lift up right here, pull up the collar, and lift out the bit. Put the bit back in. Oh yeah, it's solid. That bit ain't coming out anyway until you lift the collar back up to pull the bit out. Simple like that. This thing is solid. I like it. And there you have it guys. The bit is attached, ready for action, ready to go, ready to do some work when you are. Oh yeah, don't forget you can easily adjust the torque right here from 0.5 Newton meters all the way to 6 Newton meters for the right torque for your application right here. Nice little screen so you can see. Also, you can change the direction really easy, just up and down like that. That's how you change the direction. Whether you want to screw in or screw out, this thing can handle it. This is the Fanttik NEX L1 Pro cordless screwdriver with the battery included inside. 2000 milliamp battery, USB-C charging. This thing is also lightweight at 8 ounces. This thing is slim, light, easy to use. Love the little LEDs right here. So when you use this in the dark, don't worry. You got lights so you can see what you're doing. Sweet little cordless screwdriver from Fanttik. I'm a fan of the Fanttik NEX L1 Pro.